Welcome back. I hope all of you have learned the previous chapters. Today we will discuss chapter number 5, factors and multiples. I think all of you have the basic knowledge of factors and multiples. Last class you have learned that. But in this class you will learn little more about the factors and multiples. So let us see what is factor. The factor, as you can see, the numbers which are multiplied together to produce the product is called what? The factor. So how to find out the factors? Let us see one example. Here we need to find out the factors of 10. So as I said, what is factor? The numbers which we need to multiply together to produce the product. So we need to find out the numbers. Which are the numbers we have to use to produce this 10 as the product? Here, see, you can see 1 into 10 is equal to 10. Okay. Next is 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Any more numbers? No more numbers. Okay. So we have got, so when we multiplied 1 into 10, we have got the 10, and 2 into 5. When we multiplied 2 into 5, we have got a 10. So we can say these numbers, when we multiplied 1 into 10, we have got a 10. When we multiplied 2 and 5, when we multiplied 2 and 5, we have got 10 and the number itself. So these are the factors of 10. These are the factors of 10. 1, 2, 5 and 10. Clear? Okay, next we will see some properties of factors. Okay, see that the properties of factors. 1 is a factor of every number. Just now we have seen that. When we multiplied 1 into 10, we have got the same number, the number itself. So 1 is a factor of, for example, 275 into 1 is equal to 275. So 1 is the factor of every number. Okay, that is the first property of factors. And the second one is a number is a factor of itself. With the same example, you will understand that a number is the factor of itself. Is it or not? So here we have got 1 is the factor and 10 is the factor. Here 1 and 275. So the number is the factor of itself. And the third one, a number of a factor is less than or equal to the number. Less than or equal to that number. Here we have seen, for example, the factor of 24. We need to find out the factors of 24. So we have seen that 6 into 4 and 24 into 1. Okay, understand? So we need to find out, we have seen that the factors 1, 4, 6 and 24. So these are the factors of 24. Is it or not? So the third property is a factor of a number is less than or equal to that number. Here it is 24. You can see all other factors are less than the number, less than 24. Clear? So next we shall discuss about the multiples. The last one is every number has at least 2 factors. But every number has at least 2 factors. Let us see the example. 2. Find out the factors of 2. 1 into 2. 2 is equal to 1 into 2. So here we have got only 2 factors. Okay. Then 3. What are the factors of 3? 3 into 1. 5. 1 into 5. So some numbers are there having only 2 factors. All the factors except 1, all other factors having at least 2 factors. Now we shall discuss about the multiples. See, what is multiple? The multiple is the product of two or more factors. So the product of two or more factors are called what? The multiples. For example, the multiples, we need to find out the multiples of 5. How we can find out the multiples of 5? By using the table we can easily find out the multiples of 5. Example, 5, we need to find out the multiples of 5. Then what is next? 10, then 15, 20, etc. We can find out the multiples as possible. Okay, so there is no limit, it is unending, there is no limit. We can find out how much we need, that much we can find out. Here are some properties of multiples. So these are the properties. Every number is a multiple of 1. Every number is a multiple of 1. 1 into 5. 1 into 5 is equal to 5. So every number is a multiple of 1. And another, we can find as many multiples as possible. We can find how many multiples we need, that much we can find out. And another one is every multiple of a number is equal or greater than that number. Equal or greater than that number. We have seen. We have find out the multiples of 5 here. What is the first multiple? 5 only. Either equal to that number or greater than that number. Next is 10, 15, 20, etc. Okay, these are the main differences between the factors and the multiples. Factors we have seen either equal to that number or less than that number. But multiples equal to that number and or greater than that number. Clear? So these are the main difference of multiples and factors. And moving to the next point, rules of divisibility. First one is divisibility by 2. So a number is divisible by 2 if the digit in its ones place is divisible by 2. Any number we can divisible by 2. What we have to see? We have to check the last digit, whether it is even number or odd number. For example, 64. 64 exactly we can divisible by 2. Why? The ones place you check. Check the ones place. You can see it is an even number. Okay. Next is 100. See last number is 0. It we can exactly divisible by 2. And another number is 96. See the ones place. The ones place is an even number. So all these types of number we can exactly divisible by 2. Okay. Next is divisibility by 3. The numbers which we can exactly divisible if the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 3. How come it possible? Let us see. For example, I am writing here one number 144. Okay, 144. This number we can exactly divisible or not. We need to divide and see. Is it or not? No. We can one short method is there. We have to find out the sum. We have to separate the numbers. There are 3 numbers, 3 digits. Is it or not? So 1 plus 4 plus 4. We have to find out the sum of this digit. What is the sum of this 3 digit? 9 only. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9. So the 9 is exactly divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9. So 144 is exactly divisible by 3. Clear? So the next is 5. 5. A number is divisible by 5 if it has 0 or 5 in its ones place. If it is 0 and 5 in its ones place. See here, this number we can exactly divisible by 5 because the 0 is in ones place. And this number 105 can exactly divisible by 5. The ones place you check, there is 5. All the numbers which ends with 0 and 5 can exactly divisible by 5. Clear? So next is 10. The numbers which ends with 0 in ones place is exactly divisible by 10. Here 100 we can exactly divisible by 10 because ones place you see there is 0, and any number this exactly divisible by 10. 220 exactly divisible by 10. Why? Because the ones place what 0 only. So all the numbers which ends with 0 can exactly divisible by 10. 9 is also the same way how we have done the 3. The numbers we have to find out the sum of the given number, and we have to see the sum is exactly divisible by 9 or what. For example, one number I am writing here 440. Okay, so we need to find out the sum of this number. What is the sum of this number? We have to separate this number. There are 3 digits. 4 plus 1 plus 4. How much it is? 9 only. Is it or not? So this 9 we can exactly divisible by 9. Next is divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by the last 2 digits on its extreme right is divisible by 4. For example, I am writing here 3 numbers, 616, then 508, then 300. So we have to check the last 2 numbers. These last 2 numbers we can exactly divisible by 4. Is it or not? 16. 16 we can exactly divisible by 4. 4 4s are 16. So this number, the last 2 number, how much is this? 8 only. 4 2s are 8. So this 2 zeros, that means the whole number. This number we can exactly divisible by 4. So next we are moving to exercise. Some questions we will solve here based on this factors and the multiples. Find the factors of these numbers 8, 15 and 36. Okay, so first one, how to find out? There are 2 methods to find out the factors. One is multiplication method, another one is division method. So here we are using the multiplication method, just like a table. As I told, the factors are very we can find out easily the factors by using the multiplication table. Okay, use just like a multiplication table. So we need to find out the factors of 8. So just say 1 into 8 is equal to 8. Next, what are the numbers we need to multiply to get 8? We need to multiply, okay, 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8. Next we need to find out any more number? No, it is impossible. Only this much. So we can find out which are the numbers 1, 2, 4 and the number itself. So we can write the factors of this number 1, 2, 4 and 8. So we have learned we will get either equal to that number or less than that number, and 1 is a factor of every number. Without any doubt you can write 1 because it is a factor of every number. Next one is 15. So we need to find out which are the numbers we need to multiply to get to 15. So the first one is 1 into 15 is equal to 15. And any more numbers? Yes. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. Any more numbers? No more. Okay, so these are the factors 1, 3, 5 and 15. These are the factors of 5. Okay, and the next one is 36. What are the numbers we need to multiply to get to 36? As we know, 1 into 36 is equal to 36. Next is 6 into 6 is equal to 36. 3 into 12 is equal to 36. And another 9 into 4 is equal to 36. Any more numbers? No more. So we can write this 1, then 3, 4, 6, 9 and 36 and 36. These are the factors of 36. 1, 3, 4, 6, 9 and 36. Okay, in this way we have to find out the factors. Next is multiples. Find the first 4 multiples. Okay, the first one is 5. Use the table, 5's table. It is very easy to find out. 5, then 10, 15 and 20. These are the first 4 multiples of 5. You can use the same number as the first number, either equal to this number or greater than that number. Okay, so you can use the given number as a multiple. So first a multiple, and the second one is 7. Then next one is 14. Next one is 21. Next one is 28. These are the first 4 multiples of 7. 7, 14, 21 and 28. And here it is 12. The first one is 12. The next one is 24. The next one is 36. Next one is 48. So these are the first 4 multiples of 12. 12, 24, 36 and 48. Okay, moving to the next point. Now we are going to discuss about prime numbers, twin primes and composite numbers. First, prime numbers. What is a prime number? A prime number is a number which having only 2 factors. For example, 2 having only 2 factors, 1 and 2 only. Next is 7. 7 into 1 is equal to 7 only. These are the 2 factors. So this is called what? The prime numbers. And the next is twin primes, having the difference with the 2 numbers. Okay, which are the numbers? 3 and 5. We can say 3 and 5. These 2 numbers are twin primes, having only 2 numbers difference. And the next is 5 and 7. We can say having only 2 numbers difference. Next is 11 and 13. Okay, so I hope you understand the twin primes and the prime numbers. Next is composite number. What is composite number? The numbers which having more than 2 factors are called composite factors. Composite numbers. For example, take 4. 4 having more than 2 factors. What are that factors? 1, 2 and 4. Is it or not? Next is take 10. 10 having more than 2 factors. 1, 2, 5 and 10 having more than 2 factors. So the numbers which having more than 2 factors are called what? Composite numbers. So I hope all of you understood what is prime number, twin primes and composite number. Okay, next class we will discuss about the prime factorization. Thank you.